morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our clean and decorate with me for Christmas. My name is Rachel. If you've never been here before, I'm into lifestyle and motherhood. I was just going ahead and hanging up this new sign I got. I got everything from the Dollar Tree. I have a haul that I already posted just on Sunday. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe if you have not done so already. And let's get to cleaning with me and decorating for Christmas. Okay, as you can see, I had dropped my tape, so I obviously had to pick it up. Now I'm just going to finish off taping the sides, and I was so happy about it. Now here, I started to wipe down the little lead area using the Mrs. Meyer's in the scent Pumpkin Spice. And I wiped all that clean and to make sure that it was just super fresh and just amazing before I actually put all my decorations up. And then in the end also I ended up adding some Christmas bulbs to this specific area, and you guys will see that towards the end more. But here I'm just adding garland, seeing what I like, and then adding the Christmas trees.
Christmas is coming, anticipation growing fast. Time for a present, time for remembering the past. My favorite one, the gift of his son.
Hey guys, so I'm so excited to show you guys. I was gonna wait for a part 2 when I decorate with my Christmas tree, but you're gonna obviously see it during that time. So I'm gonna show you guys this right now. I am so excited. My parents used to do this for me and my sister when we were little kids, and it just made Christmas even better. And obviously you can see I'm looking up because I'm looking at my ceiling. What? Oh, you want help? Okay. And I decorated our ceiling, guys. I had help with Cole, obviously. We have like popcorn ceiling, but above the popcorn ceiling is obviously wood, and then just paint. So we use these little staple things and nailed them up, and we hung some of our Christmas ornaments that we specifically bought for the ceiling on those. Without giving away too much what we've already done, because I am going to do a Christmas home tour, we put a few of the bulbs in here, and we made it just diagonal here. Of course, one in the middle. Look how pretty that is. And it's also a bell. I think it's so pretty. It's just gorgeous. We have some small ones to incorporate, and then we have some matte red finished, almost burgundy ones, and then we have some sparkly ones that are more of a red. They do look a little bit different. This one's more burgundy, I believe. We have these little itty bitty rose gold ones. Okay, now coming into the living room. It's a funny angle because I don't want you guys to see everything that we did do already. We just have a whole slew of them, guys. Don't mind this little thing. It's broken. It's one of our home sprinkler systems. But we have a deer up here. Like, look how pretty that is. I am so beyond happy. I feel like Christmas just threw up in our home, and it just makes me so happy. We have a Christmas tree here, and then we have one of those snowflake bells again, but this one is white and with a silver bell. The other one was gray with a white bell. Then we have another Christmas tree over there. We just put them all in the line. Then we have some more of those bulbs over there. And we have a ton of snowflakes as well. I paired the snowflakes up with another ornament so you can see them better because it just kind of looked very white in here. But we have a bunch of those hanging out just about everywhere. We have another one right up there and a few more. So I don't know about you guys, but we are going all out this year. We are not holding back at all. I feel like now that Novelle is old enough to understand what Christmas really is and what it's about, that we can make sure our home feels happy and just amazing during the holidays. And, you know, like, what more than having Christmas lights and decorations up? Give Jesus more than a month of celebration. If you want to have your birthday celebration for a month, then Jesus deserves more than a month for decorations and such to be up and to be giving to others. I also wanted to show you guys this. It does have some glitter from the ornaments. We still have a few ornaments. Maybe we're going to put some in the kitchen, like when you first walk in, because of course you saw how I decorated our doorway. And I feel like that, like, alone just made it feel more Christmassy in here. For this, I told you guys I was going to outline it. I ended up doing it. I just took some of those smelly markers that I had growing up as a kid, the washable ones, and I just colored the outside green, and then I just put a little red ring, and I feel like it really helped it a lot. I did get a little bit of smudge over on that side, just of green. Tried to erase the best I could, but I mean, nobody's really going to notice. We're going to start this off in the next couple days. I'm just deciding where I'm going to hang it. Something about where we're going to put it. Maybe over by the Christmas tree once we decorate that. Here, as I was telling you before, I ended up putting the extra bulbs that we had from the living room ceiling in the hallway just hanging on this garland. I really like how this area turned out. It makes me feel so much better about our kitchen. Our living room isn't fully decorated, of course. We will have a part 2 for that area, but I just love how this turned out, and it just makes me feel so warm and cozy inside knowing that Christmas is just around the corner, and it's the time for giving and loving with our families, significant others, children, whatever it may be, even friends and families of friends. So we're just hanging a few of those right here. I feel like I'm talking so much in this video. I normally don't do voiceovers, so I'm so sorry and I apologize for this. I found this little tree skirt for $5 at Family Dollar, and I decided it might be just a pop of red and make it more Christmassy, having like a fluffed up little red blanket sitting on our kitchen table. As soon as you walk in the door, that's the first thing you see. And this little unicorn decoration from Tinsel we got at Family Dollar also for $1. And then, of course, we have our tissues and our little napkin holder. So I played with this a little bit. You could tell that I tried to play around with it to make sure that it was looking good for me. I also, at the end of the video, paired it up with an elf on the opposite side, and I arranged things a little bit. But I like how this ended up turning out.
Christmas is coming, Santa and his sleigh are near. Shovel the walkway for family and friends we hold so dear. Join in a prayer for peace everywhere. Christmas is coming, all the kids can hardly wait. Be sure to tell